Step number 1. Remove clutch fluid cap. Twist the clutch fluid reservoir cap counterclockwise to remove. Step number 2. Remove the membrane from the cap. Use a pocket screwdriver to remove the membrane from the clutch reservoir cap. Step number 3. Install the membrane into the IAG cap. Install the membrane by lining up the notches and twisting it into place. Step number 4. Install the cap. Install the IAG clutch fluid reservoir cap onto the reservoir. Step number 5. Apply O-ring lubricant. Apply the O-ring lubricant onto the O-ring of the cap top. Step number 6. Install the cap top. Install the cap top into the cap by pushing down evenly.